We'll guide you through how to lock or unlock a keyboard in Windows 11 or 10. If you find this useful and it solves your problem, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you have accidentally gone and unlocked it, perhaps by pressing a key, or you just found it locked. Or you're wondering how you can go unlock it so that if the keyboard's used, nothing goes and happens. Perhaps you want to go and leave it somewhere and people not go and change it. We're going to guide you through how you can go about this. So make sure this full guide, and we're going to guide you through exactly what you need to do. You may be quite annoyed right now if it's locked and you don't know how to unlock it, or you're just interested. So let's go and get started. What you need to do is come to the bottom, and you need to go and find the start button like so, and go and click on it. In here, we need to go and find settings. As you can see, you should see it in pinned. You may need to go and press show all if you struggle to go and find it, and hopefully you can then find it in there. Now in settings, what you need to do is you need to come over to the left, and we're going to go and find the option for accessibility, and you want to go and click there. Now in accessibility, you want to go and scroll down and go and find the option in interaction for keyboard and go and click there. Then in here, what you want to do is you want to go and find filter keys. So to go and lock it, switch this on. Now you're going to go and see if I click here to go and type, I can't go and type. If we go and switch it off again, then I try and type, it's going to go and work. As you can see, if you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.